If you could go back in time without changing anything, just to relive the moment, where would you go and why? Which celebrity you'd like to say following things to? How do you do what you do? Any 3 reasons why Rajkumar Rao's future wife will be very lucky to have him as a husband?
Oh, because I think he is a very caring person.
There's a popular quote on mother: God couldn't be everywhere and therefore he made mothers. What, according to you, would be its version for fathers?
For fathers.
If not acting, what other thing you think you would have made you popular?
Popular? I have no idea. Hi guys, I'm Kriti Sanin and you're watching Bollywood Hangama with Faridoon. Keep on watching.
What was your first immediate first reaction after reading Hum Do Hamare Do?
After reading Hum Do
The first
Hamare Do,
script, the script of Hum Do Hamare Do.
that it was very heartwarming and it gave me a family wali feeling.
Any 3 reasons why Rajkumar Rao's future wife will be very lucky to have him as a husband?
Oh, because I think he is a very caring person. He is also he feels very family oriented, very like homely, I would say, as a person. His values are very like, I sort of am in sync with those values. They're very like middle class, simple family person's values.
Right.
So I think whoever marries him is I mean, we know who's going to marry him, but yeah, is going to be very lucky. And another thing, give me one more reason. He has a sense of loyalty and honesty to him, which I think is very important in any relationship. So that.
No, of course. There's and you guys, I think, were terrific in Bareilly Ki Barfi.
Thank you.
I think it was.
But our chemistry was actually better in this film than even Bareilly.
Right.
Bareilly, I would say that he had more experience than I did. And he was very, very supportive and very, like, I felt like my reactions were better because of him being in the frame as well. And here I just felt like we both had a journey after that. You know, we both had grown a little bit in our own ways. And I think our tuning was even better. There was so many scenes where it was so much about reacting to each other, you know. Like there was literally one scene which is the pre-climax where, you know, it's a heated scene. So he says something, then I say something, then I screamed, which he didn't expect, then he did something. Like we were literally reacting, and by the end of it, I exit and he exits after me. And we exited and they said cut and we looked at each other and we just hugged. Because we were just so happy with the chemistry that came on. Like you know, sometimes you really feel it. Like you feel it when the other person is like giving you something which you didn't expect and then you reacted, and it was just magical. Like
there's a popular quote on mother: God couldn't be everywhere and therefore he made mothers. What, according to you, would be its version for fathers?
I think everyone needs a guardian angel, and that's your father protecting you all the time.
Wow. If not acting, what other thing you think you would have made you popular?
Acting से ज़्यादा और क्या popular? Maybe one day I would have written a book of poetry. I would have gone more into poetry and had become like a poet or something, maybe.
Which you can do now as well.
I can do now as well.
What is the most special thing you have thought of doing for your crazy fans?
Most special thing that I've thought for doing? I haven't really thought. I would love to like meet a lot of them, you know, and maybe like do something good together, you know, where I did that on my birthday as well, where I kind of posted something that, you know, if you want to actually do something for me on my birthday, I would love you to like maybe just plant a tree or, you know, donate something or help someone, and let's just do that together. I would love to do something collectively with them which really helps someone in some way.
What one thing your parents always told you not to do but you ended up doing many a time?
Not to put my foot in my mouth, and I do that many times. So they're like, you know, think sometimes before you speak. I've become better at it, but I think my Delhi-ness, my nature is that I end up blurting out things. So that.
If you could go back in time without changing anything, just to relive the moment, where would you go and why?
I think when my sister was born, you know, that whole feeling of having this little kid in your lap when you yourself are like some 5 years old, and that whole childhood time, I think I would love to go back to that and revisit that.
Which celebrity you'd like to say following things to? How do you do what you do?
Tiger? How does he? He's been posting some insane videos.
Yes.
He has been, and it's just like giving me a lot more stress because I'm supposed to do action with him. So I'm like, can you
Gunpowder.
not get better at what you do? Because I'm still not there. So
Yeah, but in fact, in our interview, he said that you must be very busy and.
me,
Pata
oh,
nahi-
you know, he does this thing. He and I'll tell you, Varun Dhawan. These two people love putting the pressure on the other person. Okay, they're both like Tiger's still with me. Varun's a senior, technically,
Right.
but they both like make the other person feel like so big that so that the pressure's not on them.
Of course. Okay, complete the following sentences, please. My biggest takeaway from Hum Do Hamare Do is that.
My biggest takeaway from Hum Do Hamare Do is that family is extremely important, and family and relationships are very important, and it doesn't matter if it's a blood relation or not.
One thing about Prabhas, I wish all his fans knew is that.
I think everything, Prabhas fans are very, very aware of everything that he does. He has some really amazing fans. I don't think I know anything. In fact, I can get to know more about him through the fact that he's, you know, I don't know why everyone says he's shy. He's very chatty. Like, he's quite talkative.
And he's a foodie. He loves to
He's the
feed.
foodie all the fans know.
He loves to.
But he's quite talkative, and he's got this different sense of humor. He can really, like, he can make you laugh. He has a sense of humor. Hi guys, I'm Kriti Sanin and you're watching Bollywood Hangama with Faridoon. Keep on watching.